What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get free cash in Cash App. As you can see I'm starting out with the balance of 0. First we must go to YesAppsnet. You want to be taken to page, make sure it looks like this so you're on the right page. Type Cash App in search bar. Type in your Cash App ID. And select your platform. Then hit connect. You can choose amount of cash you want. To complete the process you need to install 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. Usually just need keep it running for about 30 seconds. So what you need to do now is download 2 of these apps and start it up. You need to start the app and running apps at least 30 seconds. If it doesn't work on the first try, just try again with a different app. Now that we've done that, we're gonna have to do real quick is open the Cash App. Make sure the app is restarted itself. As you can see the money balance is updating. Make sure you use that link right. Hope you got your cash as well with the help of this tutorial. And just remember to follow all the instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it works for you.